What is up, everyone? Welcome to my channel, UyghurMan. In this video, I'm not gonna talk about how my Instagram acting weird, my followers constantly every day like decreasing, like negative growth. I'm not sure that, but I can show you guys how YouTube do that to me. I'm really pissed. I mean, it's happening every day almost. Like, let's take a look my last video. Let's just quick take a look about notification here. The last comment 9 hours ago, he said, "Oh, I like your video." I try to click it and it disappeared. You can see if I go back and check, this guy leave a comment in this video. Now I go back to this video, check the comment. There's nothing. All right. Only as a comment from this Mediha, and also this comment says, "Stay strong. One day, we will get our land back," something like that. So I click it. There's nothing. It's already disappeared. So you guys should know, like, the algorithm of the YouTube, I'm backing the code, is like, because it's based on the comment, based on the like, right? Like, the comment is very important. So if I have enough comments, then they will put my video to other people's screen so people can see, can attract more people. That's why they keep deleting some secret power. I'm not sure this is a YouTube doing this to me, or some secret hacker, or Chinese 50 cents army. I don't know. I just try to show you guys. That is the reason why I'm like growing so slow, It's like, it just doesn't work. If you speak up in this world, like, they can censor you. Like Trump's Twitter just permanently got suspended, right? Like, just banned it. Same thing. I mean, if you want to speak up something they don't want you here, they don't want to see, so they just do something to your channel, to your voice. This is totally BS, guys. BS. You know what I mean? So I really don't know what I'm gonna do. Sometimes I'm really tired to do it, continue this channel because of this. But since I'm not doing this for any view or any financial support or something like that, so I'm doing this for be the voice for my voiceless Uyghurs. That's why I don't care. I'm doing everything for Allah only. So, Allah knows that's make me happy. Of course, if something true, you always gotta attack, no matter what. Like, you try to do something good, like the Satan right next to you. Satan will appear immediately. That's what my religion taught me. If you do something great, something good, try to stay close to Allah, to the God, the Satan, right? They come to you, appear immediately. That's the same thing. If I try to speak up for my people, those type of attack, those type of weird activity on my YouTube or on my Instagram never end. I just want to let you guys know why this my channel not growing that fast, or like not attracting too much view. But you guys can help if you just keep sharing, give me a like button. If make sure you leave a comment and check out later it's appear or not. That's all I want to say today. Please support this channel. This is a hard journey. This is a very tough journey. I can't do by myself, but it's better if you join me, if you support me. So let's do it together, guys. I'm sincerely asking the help, asking you join me. So all you can do is just click and share the video. Let's break this censorship. Let's fight with this censorship, guys. I think one day I can do it. Maybe not now, but China eventually gonna fall. That time, my voice still can reach the world, because I believe, as a justice believer, one day it's our turn. Uyghurs surviving, living this world, contributing this world, thousands of years, not gonna just get wiped out by Chinese Communist Party. You know what I'm saying? So China is just dreaming. They're just evil or devil. I'm not gonna stand with them. I will keep fighting with them until my last breath, guys. So let's join me. Let's just support this channel. Keep share to your friend. Let the people know about our story. By the way, our UyghurMan book about our story gonna publish very soon. That time I will let you guys know. So this UyghurMan gonna keep growing. We're not gonna stop. We're not gonna never even plan to stop. So guys, support this channel. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment, and don't forget, check your comment is published or not. Maybe they got deleted like just other comment does. So that's it, guys. Thanks for the support. Don't forget, share and give a like button. Thank you. See you guys.